Sometimes I have the tendency of forgetting which annotation I have used. So okay, let's do it. Now, namaste and welcome everybody. We are doing relationship, that is second chapter of English reader, and we will try to complete it. We have understood how and why relationship important in order to have a satisfied and happy life. We have understood the wonder of grandparents, that how they contribute in the family and in your happy life. We have done which part? We have done the siblings love, that is Nikki and Kara, how they love and hate each other. That's the bond of love and affection, that is between brother and sister, or sisters or brother. So these are sibling bonding, and we all appreciate and enjoy it, and it without your knowing it contribute in your life. You feel happy, and when they are not there with you, you realize their absence, you miss them, right? So we have done it. Okay. We have done it. Now we are moving to the next part, that is nurturing. Now we have understood the family, that is what your relationship with your grandparents. We have understood grandparents, their importance, and then we have understood sibling love and affection, sibling bonding we have understood. And now we are moving to the one of the most important relation of our life, that is friendship. Sunday was friendship day. You remember how many of you wished your friend happy friendship day, and how many of you thought and made promise to yourself or to your friend that you will remain friends forever, and you will be with them all thick and thin, but all ups and downs, you will be with them, and you will be supporting them and guiding them if it is required. Now let's do it. Attempt the following self-check questionnaire. This is self-check questionnaire. For every first response, give yourself 0, for second 2, and for every third response, yourself mark 5 marks. Okay. In the morning, you prefer to have your breakfast in the room. There are people who love to be in the room itself. Nobody, they do not want to be people around. So if you want to be room in the kitchen, or you want to live in the living room with other family members, तब ये वाला option सबसे अच्छा है, because if you are doing this, you are bonding with your family. Now, how often do you say goodbye to your family before you are going to school? Sometimes you may have missed to say goodbye, but most of the time, like if I am going outside, I always tell my family that yes, I am off, I am going out. So I guess you people are doing that, and if you are not doing, try to do that. The thought of going back home after a day's school makes you sad. Okay, sad because you want to be with friends. No difference to you. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता whether you are at home or in the school. It doesn't matter. And you become happy if thought of going to home. Now, if you are happy, then you will get, actually one should be happy at home, but there are times when you are most happy with your friends, but right now you are always at home, so you are accustomed, you are habituated of staying home. I guess when the school will reopen, whether you will be happy or sad. If you are happy, sad over something, you would keep it to yourself. Okay, wouldn't you want to share it with your friends, whether you are happy or sad? So I guess whether you are happy or sad, you share with your friends and family. I am sure 100% people love to share their happiness and sadness with the friends and the family. One of your friends relative wants to meet you urgently, but you are busy. Now this is tricky question. You will tell him that you don't have time. Would you say? Sometimes you can say, tell him you will try, okay, take out time for him. Or utna busy schedule, maybe if you are taking time out for him, so ye thoda sa, sometimes you can choose any of the thing. Tell him you will try. I would, I won't say that I do not have time. I'll say I'll try, and I will try to take out time for him or her. In your free time, you would watch TV, Stay in your room, meet friends and relatives. I guess you will love to watch mobile and play games, but it is suggested that in free time you should meet your friends and relatives. Now see here, add the total marks and see which category do you fit in. Now, if you have ticked one, you are quite an introvert. You do not mix up with the other people. You need to get out of your shell and communicate. You know, you have to come out from the that shell where you are living. You have to come out and talk to the people around, more with your friends and family. Remember, friends are the greatest assets. बहुत बड़े assets होते हैं वो. Now 10 to 20, if you are in this category, you do realize the importance of family and friends, but do not care about them adequately. मतलब enough care नहीं करते हो. You realize their importance, but you do not make effort to be with them. A little more attention towards them would make you a lot happier. Yes, अगर आप थोड़ा सा और scoring करोगे, तो it will make you happier. Okay. So now this is the highest score. I guess we are in this score only. You cherish the love of your family and friends. You care about them and are ready to help them anytime. You are a friend indeed. Yes, a friend in need is a friend indeed. अगर जरूरत के time में काम आ जाओगे तभी you are friend. We are blessed with relatives by birth, but make our friends ourselves. Of course, when you come to school or when you are in your colony, you are making friends. So we are having our siblings, grandparents, aunt, uncles, but friends we make ourselves. It is gift of the God that you cherish and you make it yourself. It is not like that you are born with. You make friends. How many friends do you have? Do you think making friends and maintaining their friendship is easy? Discuss with reason. Sometimes making friends, few people are very gregarious. They always a mixing type of people. They love to meet and they are easy to be with. They make friends easily, and making friends is important, but maintaining the friendship is more important. You know, you need some efforts to maintain the friendship, that you are available for your friends in the time of need. So it is the matter of discussion whether you are able to maintain the friendship. Now, listen to the audio CD tilted listen page number 59. Let's do the page number 59 first, so that we can. Okay, page number 59. Let's come to the quickly. Let's come to page number 59. It's a long story, I guess. It's a long story. I see. Now, nurturing friendship. Nurturing means to growing, to bonding, इसको develop करना, to develop friendship. Okay, it is truly said that prosperity means like good fortune. Okay, good fortune जब अच्छा time आता है, या फिर 10 minutes good fortune or something you are happy with. You know, prosperity means richdom, मतलब काफी अमीरी जब होती है, that is prosperity makes friends and adversity tries them. Okay, जब कमी होती है ना, तो prosperity में तो सारे दोस्त बनते हैं, लेकिन जब adversity आती है, यानी misfortune जब आता है, अच्छा टाइम नहीं रहता है, उसी वक्त टेस्टिंग होती है किसकी? फ्रेंड्स की. A true friend will be there for you in your difficult times. And cultivating means fostering, मतलब इसको आगे बढ़ाना. फोस्टरिंग और टेंडिंग, मतलब जैसे उसको प्यार से आगे बढ़ाया जाता है, उसको बड़ा किया जाता है, उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग किया जाता है, दैट इज cultivating friendship is an art. A lot of efforts goes into nurturing friendship. Here are some tips for cultivating and maintaining friendship. Now, a good listener is more likely to have friends. Okay, when I am able to listen more to my friends, I'll have many friends. Listen attentively and respect your friends' views, even if you differ your opinion. मतलब अगर तुम्हारा friend तुम्हारे से अलग opinion भी रख रहा है, अलग राय भी रख रहा है, तो भी you should respect them. Make an effort to keep in touch even if you are busy. Yeah, that's important. Sometimes you are busy with your mobile games and with your family, but you have to make out time for your friends as well. Make time to meet your friends at least once a month. In this pandemic mein, I guess you people are trying to make up your friendship by making calls, है ना? Be there for your friends in their adversities as well as in their celebration. दोनों में, चाहे वो खुश हो, चाहे ऐसा नहीं है कि बस दुख में उसका साथ देने चले जाओ. You go to your friend when he or she is in pain, and you are not in the part of celebration. No, you have to be part of celebration both in adversity and celebration. अच्छे बुरे दोनों टाइम में. Never forget to greet your friends on their birthday or anniversary, even if they are not hosting a party on the occasion. हाँ, तुम्हें बर्थडे में नहीं बुलाया तो तुम उसको विश भी नहीं करोगे, ये it is not okay. Even if your friend is not calling up you on your on his or her celebration, do not miss to give a message, birthday wishes, or give him a call. Okay, so do not gossip your friends behind their back. This is very important. When you're talking something bad about your friends behind his or her back, it is more important that you speak the truth in front. Whatever you are having in your heart, just speak out. You know, it may your friend may feel bad for a while, but he or she will realize that is at least you are speaking truth. You are opening your heart that what you feel about him or her. Do not backbite. पीछे में बुराई नहीं करनी चाहिए, ठीक है? Love and caring lose their meaning if there is no respect in a relationship. Okay, it is very important. अगर love, caring और respect नहीं है तो वो relationship का कोई फायदा नहीं है, whether it is friendship or any other relationship. Cicero was an Roman. He was a Roman philanthropist or scholar. He was Roman. मतलब बहुत महान जो बहुत पढ़े लिखे जो elite class के लोग होते हैं, जो बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोल के जाते हैं. Cicero is an Roman person who has said, बहुत ये बात जो इतने पते की कही है ना, कि ये बात एक proverb की तरह एक quote बन गया है कि he removes the greatest ornament of friendship who removes from it respect. If you are not respecting your friends, you are not a friend. Okay, keep jealousy and competition away from your friends. Jealousy nahi hona chahiye. You should not go green when your friends are doing very well, or when you are doing well, your friend is not happy with that. Jealousy kills the best of the relationship. Okay, so on this basis we are going to do which part we are going to do on the basis of this. Okay, we have done this, and now just we have read this nurturing friendship, and being with a friend is the greatest stress buster. Of course, when you are with friends, तुम्हारा जो टेंशन है ना, that release हो जाता है, stress को खत्म करता है. In today's stressful and fast-paced life, friends are the best way to release tension. With your friends, you can share your woes, clear your doubts, and get first-hand guidance. तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा guidance मिल सकता है friend के form में. You know, तुम अपने परेशानियों को share कर सकते हो. The best way to rejuvenate, मतलब refresh करना. Rejuvenate means दोबारा से जीवन आ जाना, दोबारा से refresh, feel refreshed yourself and get moral support in difficult situation through good friends. If you are having a good friend, you will be little less stressed because you are having the person to whom you can talk with, to whom you can share your feeling, and you can get the guidance to whether which is the best thing to do at that particular moment. Now we have a listen, we have just done nurturing friendship, just we have done. Now we have to do prosperity test friendship. No, actually what test friendship? This is false. Okay, this should be okay. Let me do this. Actually, this is, we have to write true or false on the basis of that nurturing of friendship that just we have read. On this basis we have to complete this. Prosperity test friends, actually adversity test friends. So prosperity test friend is false. Okay, now good listeners make good friends, of course, very true. If I am listening to my friend, his or her happiness and sadness, I will be a good friend. We should respect others point of view, even if you don't agree. Yes, very important that even if you are having different opinion, we should respect each other's opinion कि वो क्या सोच रहा है, वो भी सही सोच रहा है. Because being right and wrong is relative. You can never tell anybody to be absolutely wrong or absolutely right. Okay, so it is important that you respect others point of view. Friends ought to be greeted on their special days only if they are celebrating. No, even if they are not celebrating, we should greet them on the special day. Light gossip does not harm friendship. हाँ, sometimes अगर हल्का फुल्का gossip किया जाए तो वो बहुत harm नहीं करता है, लेकिन हाँ, we should not gossip behind, backbite नहीं करना चाहिए, तो इसको हम लोग false लिखते हैं, ठीक है? Beside love, beside means instead of, मतलब love and care के अलावा भी, besides means apart from this. Besides love and care, respect is one of the pillars of friendship. Yes, of course, it's very important. You must respect your friend. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होगा कि you keep on insulting your friend and okay, दोस्तों में तो चलता है, ऐसा नहीं होता. You should respect your friend. Competition is good for friendship. No, you must not compete. मतलब अच्छा, healthy competition should be there, but jealousy shouldn't be there. Should not be there. तो competition according to this nurturing friendship, उसमें बोला गया है कि कंपटीशन और जेलसी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Now let's friends are integral to our lives. It is difficult to imagine a day without friends. We shall share our sorrow and happiness with our buddies. Buddies means friends. Think of a friend who is very special to you. Make a presentation in front of your classmates. Share what makes him her special. क्या क्या तुम लोग बहुत सारा बैंड वगैरह बनाते हैं, कार्ड्स वगैरह बनाते हैं, लेकिन कितने लोगों ने इस बार किया? स्कूल खुला रहता तो बहुत सारा बैंड्स वगैरह एक दूसरे को बांध रहे होते, लेकिन इस पेंडेमिक में, इस टाइम में कितने लोगों ने, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव डन टू make your friend feel special, that you know that now this is for you. Now this remains the homework, that you do this. Make a PowerPoint presentation of 2 minutes. Clear? See, read this one slide. Too much information नहीं होना चाहिए एक slide पर. एक to use photograph to make presentation effective, and do not okay more 8 slides in a presentation. You have to make this. Now sonnet is a poem of 14 lines. It is usually divided into 3 quarters, 4 stanzas followed by couplet, or a first stanza contains 8 lines. And there are rhyming scheme भी होता है इसमें. Rhyming scheme क्या होता है? When जब rhyme करता है A B करके, नहीं हम लोग पढ़े थे? That is, you use this and try to make a poem for your friend. And that's all for today. Time is going to get up. और मैं इसमें okay, thank you. That's all for today. And you have to